Hello guys, hi everyone. Neha this side. So on the very serious note, I just wanted to shoot a video for all of you guys. And yes, the sad news and you can say the bad news is we are COVID positive. Me and my husband, we both are COVID positive, and this time it's going really very worst, you can say. और हम लोग जम्मू से बस दिल्ली आए थे ओनली फॉर 10 डेज़ हॉलीडेज़, बट हम लोग यहाँ आकर के फंस गए हैं. एंड आई जस्ट want to tell everyone who all are COVID positive, please don't be like in that kind of situation where you got scared or you got panic. Why? Because I still remember the date. It was 18th and then we got COVID positive. The report were positive for both of us. और ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बाहर घूम रहे थे और हम लोग पॉजिटिव हो गए. It actually all started from my father-in-law, who was admitted in the Metro Hospital and he was not well due to his kidneys. उनकी किडनी फंक्शन वर्क नहीं हो रहा था. कोविड उनका नेगेटिव था. एंड देन ही गॉट एडमिटेड टू द हॉस्पिटल. उनका ऑपरेशन हुआ, डायलिसिस हुआ है. बट नाउ you can say कि वो better हैं. And from the 1st of July he got admitted in the hospital till 25th or 26th of July, so near about 1 month you can say. And after 15 days when he was in hospital, after 15 days उनको वहाँ कोविड पॉजिटिव निकला. I don't know why, how it happened. Maybe because of all those COVID positive patients who were there in the hospital at the top floor. So he got affected from there, and from that side, or you can say because my husband, he is the only son, so he was there with my father-in-law. So that's why he got COVID positive. And उनसे somehow हमें हो गया. Although he, my husband Prashant, he was actually using the full sanitization, mask, each and everything, because the worst part is we have our 14 months old daughter, and really I can't tell you, I still can't say anything. When I got this news, we got scared because of our daughter. हम नहीं चाहते थे कि भाविका का रिज़ल्ट भी कोविड पॉजिटिव हो, बिकॉज़ मेरा और प्रशांत का भी पॉजिटिव था. बट मैं यहाँ ये वीडियो इसलिए शूट कर रही हूँ उन सब लोगों को बताने के लिए, इफ़ यू ऑल्सो गॉट पॉजिटिव, प्लीज़ डोंट बी पैनिक, डोंट गेट स्कैर्ड. अभी आपको सिर्फ 3-4 चीज़ें डेली रेगुलर बेसिस पे करनी है. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ काढ़ा, जो कि दिन में आपको 3 टाइम लेना है. काढ़े में हम तुलसी, लौंग, इलायची, अदरक, काली मिर्च एंड गिलोय इज़ द थिंग जो आप उस काढ़े में डाल के पियेंगे. दैट इज़ रियली वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर योर इम्यून सिस्टम. वो आपके इम्यून सिस्टम को बूस्ट करता है, हेल्प करता है टू फाइट विद दिस वायरस. And especially you just need to take this type of kadha for near about 2 to 3 times in a day, and you need to take steam also. Like I was the one who was taking steam for twice in a day. So first was kadha, second was steam, and the third मेडिसिन्स जो आपकी प्रिस्क्राइब्ड होंगी डॉक्टर से वो आपको लेनी है. पूरा घर आपको दिन में 2 बार सैनिटाइज़ करना है. वी गॉट द स्प्रे बॉटल फॉर द सैनिटाइजर्स एंड ऑल. हम पूरा घर, सारे गेट्स, डोर, लैचेस, एवरीथिंग, इवन फ्लोर, बेड, एवरीथिंग हम सैनिटाइज़ करते थे. दैट वाज द प्रिकॉशन वी वर टेकिंग फ्रॉम द डे 1. I think before that also we were taking, but somehow my husband, he didn't realize that he is also going to be positive because of my father-in-law. So that was the worst part for all of us. And I still remember the day 1, that was the 20th July when I got this thing, and I got really scared. I was crying the whole day, and my father, my mother, they were my support system. एंड उन्होंने फुल मोरल सपोर्ट, उन्होंने इमोशनल सपोर्ट हमें दिया है. माई मदर इन लॉ, शी इज़ देयर ऑल्सो एंड नियर अबाउट 66 years old शी इज़. हम सब मिलके अपना सेपरेट बेड्स, अपनी सेपरेट रूम, सेपरेट वॉशरूम्स हम यूज़ करते थे. मेरी डॉटर मेरे साथ होती थी. आई वॉज द वन हु वॉज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ़ मी, माई डॉटर, फैमिली ऑल्सो, बिकॉज नो वन इज़ देयर एक्सेप्ट माई मदर इन लॉ, my husband and me. So yeah, it was the tough time, and the good news, and really the good news is we got recovered. And yesterday I got the call from the health department, state government health department, and they said your home isolation time is over. Now your home quarantine time is going on, so it will be near about for 7 days more, and then you will be fine. And they also congratulated us because हम लोगों ने इसे कैसे फाइट किया है, स्पिरिट रखा है कि आपको पैनिक नहीं होना है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू जस्ट नीड टू डू. फर्स्ट, योर मेंटल power should be very strong. You just think about it like you don't have any coronavirus, you just have the normal viral fever. And yeah, one more thing, we got the fever also for 2 to 3 days initially, me and my husband both, and the cold. And our best family doctor, she advised us for the good medicines, antibiotics and whatever the medicine should be like prescribed for this COVID, वो हम लोगों ने लिया. सब कुछ ठीक हो गया. अभी बस होम क्वारंटीन भी ख़त्म हो जाए, then we'll get back to our place from where we came here. It will take more than a week from now onwards. So yeah, now I'm happy that we got recovered. And जो भी COVID positive है, please watch this video and don't get panicked, don't get scared. We can beat this virus. Yes, we can do. You can do anything if you have the willpower strong. Okay, so just be positive, and yes, all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.